Okay, so here's another example where we are to find the value of the function as well as finding the x value from the function's graph. Um, so let's say we have a graph y is equal to g of x and it looks like this. Find the g of negative 4. So that means we're looking for the function value at x equals negative 4. So if x is negative 4, the function is right here. So it is positive 2, right? Okay, so we'll say that f of negative 4 is equal to positive 2. What about find g of 2? So if x is 2, y is negative 2. Therefore, we say g of 2 is equal to negative 2. What about g of negative 10? Okay, g of, so negative 10, that means x is negative 10. This is negative 5. It doesn't show us, but at negative 5, it's right here, and it just says it's going to continue. So therefore, if it's negative 10, we know it's just going to be right here, right? Because this is continuous. Therefore, g of negative 10 is equal to also positive 2 and the g of positive 10 because g of 2 is negative 2. So 10 is going to continue, and because of this arrow says it's continuous, therefore the g of positive 10 is negative 2. Okay, now here's the vice versa or the opposite. For what value of x is g of x 1? So this time we're given with the function value 1. Okay, so y is 1. That means is right here 1, that's 1. So for what value of x is g of x1, the x there is negative 2. Therefore, the answer is negative 2. Okay, and then for what value of x is g of x negative 1? G of x is negative 1. Here's your negative 1, and we see that on the positive 1, x. Therefore, the answer is 1. It's kind of like the opposite of what is the function value at x equal to positive 1. So it's negative 1. So if you're going to ask what function or what value of x is g of x negative 1, then you're going to say it's 1.